and welcome to day 4 of our Telekinesis challenge. We tried to learn telekinesis within 7 days within 1 week. You might wonder now, hey, I've been watching this series for 3 episodes now. This is the 4th. You haven't even talked about telekinesis. We haven't been moving any objects yet. And this is today's lesson. Today's lesson is about meditation, breathing, and patience. Patience. Most of you watching right now, they want to learn telekinesis right now. Right now. But this is not how telekinesis works. Telekinesis comes to us when we're ready, when our mind is ready, when our body is ready, when our heart is ready. In today's lesson, I'm gonna teach you how you can learn how to meditate. We learned how we can strengthen our bodies. Now, it's time to learn how to strengthen our soul. We learned how to get the knowledge about telekinesis. Now, it's time to use it. When you meditate properly, a beautiful thing happens. All the information you gathered before, you can focus and you can really claim it. When you meditate, your mind becomes very sensitive for any sensation. For example, you meditate in a complete, quiet, dark room. Your eyes are closed. All you're focused on is your breathing. But then a fly lands on your hand, on your arm. You notice it right away because all our senses are sharpened. We're ready to gather more information. That's how sensitive our bodies are and also our mind. So, I need you to learn how to meditate and practice meditation. While you meditate, the goal is to empty our mind, to not think about anything. Just focus on our breathing. We breathe in 100% in and 50% out. Do you understand? We never fully breathe out. If you're not used to this kind of breathing, you might get a little dizzy, but that's okay. Your brain has to get used to this new kind of oxygen. There's many people out there who practice this breathing technique and they achieve unbelievable things. They can stay underwater for 6-7 minutes. They can climb up the Mount Everest without any clothes on. So, this breathing method can also help you to telekinesis. It did help me too. So, when we meditate, we do the breathing and we focus on silence. We close our eyes, we focus on nothing, and then while you do this, you might feel some sensation in your body. Maybe your arms are sore from the workout, or maybe you're thinking about, oh, I'm getting the next paycheck in 2 days. Or, oh, my best friend didn't message me back. What's up with that? So I need you to write these things down after your meditation. And then work on those issues, because those are issues which bother you in your life. Those are issues which keep you from clearing your mind. And clearing the mind is the goal here. Without us clearing our minds, there's no way we can do telekinesis. So, you can do a guided meditation where I guide you through the meditation. I'm gonna link it, and then you can watch it and learn how to meditate by yourself. But keep in mind, any sensation in your body or your mind, any thoughts, they distract you. But after the fact, after the meditation, I want you to work and get rid of those issues, because those are issues which are bothering you. Thank you so much for learning.